What's up everyone, Phil Moments here. In this video, I'll show you how to pin a conversation on Facebook Messenger so your most important chats always stays right at the top. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So what will happen when you pin a conversation? Pinning a conversation means it stays at the top of your Messenger inbox, no more scrolling to find your favorite person's group chat or important messages. Now to do it, make sure that you're running the latest Facebook Messenger app. Then open your messenger. After that, look for the conversation that you want to pin. Now press and hold on that conversation. A menu will pop up, then click pin. And that's it. Your conversation is now pinned at the top of your inbox. If you want to unpin a conversation, all you have to do is press and hold the pinned conversation and then click unpin. Additional tips, you can pin multiple conversations and this works on both Android and iPhone. And that's how you pin a conversation on Messenger. If this video helps you out, give it a thumbs up, follow and subscribe for more quick tech tips.